How to set up automatic payments for your Trist credit card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up automatic payments for your Trist credit card online so you never miss a payment. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Trist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Trist Bank. Now here, you simply have to enter your credential to log in to your account and there, once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to click on Trist credit card account to view its detail. And there on the next page you simply have to look for the automatic payment or autopay link and click on it. And after that you simply have to choose how much you want to pay automatically, like the minimum payment, statement balance or a fixed amount, and then select your bank account to fund the payment and pick your payment date. And after that, you simply have to double check all your details and then click confirm or setup and you will see a confirmation message once your automatic payments are active. And that's it. That's how you can set your automatic payments on Twist credit card. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.